Now minimum question number 2. A wire of length L. This is a wire. This length is L. Is cut into two parts. This is first part. This is second part. But not equal, which are bent in the form of a square. This wire length L, L cut into two parts. This is first part, this is second part. First part equal to form a square. It is a square. Actually, this length is our assumption x. First part length is x. That is first piece. X. This is total length L. This is x. Remaining automatically L minus x. Total. Second part length. First part is length x. This is total perimeter of the square. This wire length x. This wire length bent into square. That is perimeter. Perimeter of square equal to 4 into sides. 4 sides. But perimeter of square is known, x. X equal to 4s. But side equal to what? X by 4. Side got it. Remaining. Second part length equal to L minus x. This wire convert to bent into a circle. Bent into a circle. Okay. Now perimeter of circle equal to circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. But perimeter of circle, this length is we known L minus x equal to 2 pi r. Okay. L minus x by 2 pi equal to r. That is radius got it. Here side got it, here radius got it. Now, what are the lengths of the pieces? We want x, we want L minus x. Okay, clear. So that the sum of the area is least. Least means greater, the f double dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, sum of the area is least. Now, here area equal to area of square plus area of circle. Area of square formula, pi area of square, s square, side square, plus area of circle, pi r square. That is the area. But here a equal to s equal to got it, x by 4 plus pi into r square, r equal to got it, L minus x by 2 pi whole square. Now differentiate with respect to x. X square differentiation 2x by, this is 4 square equal to 16 plus pi as it is L minus x whole square. L minus x whole square. This is 2 pi square value 4 pi square. L minus x whole square differentiation. 2 into L minus x into x differentiation here minus 1. 2 ones are 2 eights are. Now here pi cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are cancel. Now dA by dx equal to x by 8. Now here plus 1 by 2 pi. Here minus into plus minus into L minus x by 2 pi. Now dA by dx equal to 0. That implies x by 8 minus L minus x by 2 pi equal to 0. X by 8 equal to L minus x by 2 pi. 2 ones are 2 fours are cancel. Here x pi cross multiplication. 4L minus 4x. Now x common. Here x common. Pi plus 4 here equal to 4L. X equal to 4L by pi plus 4. This is one stationary point. X equal to 4L by pi plus 4. Got it. X is what? First part length is our assumption x. X is got. First part. First piece length is what? X equal to 4L by pi plus 4. X equal to 4L by pi plus 4. Now second part length. Second part length. L minus x. That is L minus 4L by pi plus 4. LCM. Pi by 4, pi plus 4, pi into L, pi L plus 4L minus 4L. 4L cancel. Equal to pi L by pi plus 4. That is second part length. Got it. Now sum of the area is least. A already got it. dA by dx. What? X by 8 minus of L minus x by 2 pi. Now again differentiation. dA by d square A by dx square. Here 1 by 8 constant x differentiation 1. Here minus 2 pi constant L differentiation 0. Here minus x differentiation minus 1. 1 by 8 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 pi. 1 by 8 positive, 1 by 2 pi positive, plus positive, therefore greater than 0. If d square A by dx square is greater than 0, then sum of area is minimum. Sum of area is minimum. Minimum area is least. But what are the lengths? These are 4L by pi plus 4 and pi L by pi plus 4 is the length of the pieces.